Take all.
All?
From here.
Give it to me.
Don't, Janis.
Only a
Don't.
little. See that much.
Okay.
Just spread it out. And oops.
Be careful.
No, I'm scared of that.
Okay. Keep it here. Okay.
I can't get my hand in. I can't. Big.
Cannot? Okay, let
Scared.
Mama help you. Okay, pick up.
I'm scared.
Okay, pick up with Mama. Hold with Mama.
Fish.
Yes.
Mama, can you give me the ton?
Tongue. Okay. Take it.
I didn't look at it.
Wait, Janis.
I just.
Now can you turn it?
I think it's done.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, it's not done.
It's okay. It will take time. Wait first.
I was just keeping it down. That too looks like eyebrows.
Okay. Did you make a face?
No way. Or touch.
Oh, good, Janis. Good job.
Look at what's happening to the bread. Let's flip it.
Yes, we do.
Flip it 2 times. Huh?
Okay. Is it done, Janis?
Yeah.
Okay, come. Flip it now. Flip it. Flip from here. Flip it.
I can't.
Try it.
A tissue is under.
Okay.
All the tissue is.
Okay. Flip now. Yes, good. Yeah, that's It's good, Janis. It's good. I'm so glad. Okay, enough.
Do you want?
Paratha.
Mama, this is for daily.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. कैसा फील हो रहा है अपनी बेटी दे हाथ दी रोटी खा के?